Greetings from Poznan, Poland, more specifically from Rusalka beach, or in Polish it was mentioned as Plaża Jezioro Rusalka. And I'm here in Poznan for the weekend, for a weekend trip, mostly for sightseeing, but as I am swimming in Sweden now for 204 days, I think it won't be a bit of a huge challenge to take a swim even here in Poznan. So after my morning flight, I just headed directly to this beach and the lake that is the closest one to the airport, and I'm not actually the only one that's going for a swim. There is one other person on the water, so it seems that I am not the only crazy person that's going in for a swim on a day like this. To be fair, it is 8 degrees Celsius, but it feels a lot colder than that with the wind. And yes, it is 16th of November 2024 and 11 a.m. is the clock, and I'm starting off the day now after my arrival here in Poznan. Poznan is the 5th largest city in Poland, and population is around 500,000 people. So now let's speed up because it is blowing like crazy. This is how the beach looks like, and so it's a bit of a sandy beach. There are also a few nice sunbeds here, wooden sunbeds, and there is also a large green area, and the lake itself is quite good as well. So let's then get going and measure the temperature in the water. How much is it before we go in? And then I need to dip in, of course, as well. So we're gonna see how the temperature is in this lake, Rusalka. Okay, it's actually quite decent indeed. I think it's gonna be the same temperature around what we usually have in Sweden. So let's then measure and see how cold or warm is it. So 7 degrees Celsius. So that's almost the same as in Sweden in my beach adventures there. So let's then get going. Oh, there's a plane now arriving, a Ryanair plane at the airport where I actually arrived. So yes, let's then, yeah, the airport is maybe 3 kilometers in there or something. So let's then take a swim. It is so cold, it is so especially because of the wind. And there is another person now, a lady also in the water. So 3 people in a short period of time. I thought that nobody will be here, but yes, people like to swim all year long. It's so nice indeed. So greetings from Poznan and my first ever beach adventure in Poznan. Let's see if I'm gonna do some swim tomorrow. It says it's gonna rain, so I highly doubt it. But yes, this is how the beach looks like from here. And yes, then it's time for a swim here in the lake Rusalka. Plaża Jezioro Rusalka. So let's go. Nice. It smells like lake. It is a lake. So yeah, it's nice and refreshing. But now I'm going to freeze with all the wind outdoors. Anyway, that is a wrap from Rusalka beach, Plaża Jezioro Rusalka in Poznan. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.